So with the LS Swap Miata in the last video, we got it completely painted. The car is looking phenomenal. Now in this video, this is the one that I'm looking forward to as the project is wrapping up, because everything is going to be going back on the car. We're gonna see how it looks in its entirety, and I cannot wait to see how this car is looking, done, buttoned up, sitting. And also I can't wait to see it rip. It's gonna be crazy to see this car drifting.
And now, you're watching the If Fishes Are to Water and Humans Are to Air or Drift Cars to Zip Ties channel of YouTube. Welcome to Bodie Vision.
Hey, so what's happening? Another video. Thank you so much for joining me. So like I said, we gotta button everything up. The Miata is looking really good. We have the body kit. This is a KBD body kit. I did the front bumper, back bumper, and side skirts a couple videos back. And then we got the entire car sprayed out. So I got the front bumper right there, back bumper. Now, he's gonna pick up the car with a trailer, so I think we're just gonna put them on temporarily, and then when he gets here, we're gonna see exactly what he wants to do. Maybe we'll just rip them off, maybe we'll leave them on. Ultimately, I wanna see how they look, and then when he gets here, we can make the call to rip them off or leave them on, whatever he wants to do. Wipe that a little bit, looking a little dirty. I don't even know if he's gonna see this, but he'll eventually see this, so I want to get it cleaned up. If I made the mess, I want to clean it. And also this bumper's a bit dusty because it was sitting, but we'll wipe it down before he gets here. I think he just had zip ties over here, Drift Life, right? And then this tape, this wasn't really taping anything, it's just really to prevent overspray from getting inside and then some of that dust from kicking back up. So the tape is to mask stuff off, but also to keep dust down. This looks phenomenal for a drift car. And that's a real drift car, not a parking lot car show drift car. And also one thing, they just built the exhaust for this car. So if that has room, I know it's exactly where it was before. So now that the back bumper's on, it's looking how it's gonna look. I think it looks pretty good. Now we got the tail lights. One thing that I always do with lights as I'm putting them back on, as you can see, they're really dirty, gross, a little bit dull, and it's gonna take no time at all for me to just buff them really quickly. So I'm gonna spend maybe a minute or two buffing them, and then I'll put them back on the car, and that's gonna make the world of difference. A good paint job, dirty taillights, not so good. Good paint job, clean taillights. That's the money. Alright, so now it's time to do the side skirts, and I don't know exactly which side is front and back. I don't know which side is left and right. But one's labeled P and one's labeled D, so I'm assuming that's passenger side, driver side. I don't know why they didn't go L or R, because that's universal across the entire globe. Passenger driver side, what if the car's right-hand drive? Maybe it's US only. We'll see. And I don't know if I gotta drill holes. If I gotta drill holes, I might let Ben just do that, because I don't want to be the one to drill holes in the paint. Like that, I suppose. And there's already a hole there. Maybe if I can tape it on first and put it exactly where I want it, then I can drill them. And I know I just said I don't want to be the one to drill them, but I don't know, we'll see. Now the question is, do I just gun it and install it, or do I wait for Ben? So what I actually ended up doing was I just put one screw in the back with the hole that was already there, and then in the front it's just held on by a zip tie. As you can see, the fitment right there. The fitment right there is pretty bad, and then there's just some tape on the inside, because if Ben wants to do something a little bit nicer like rib nuts or nut zerts or whatever you want to call them, he can go ahead and do that. So I just got them on temporarily, so that way in a second, once we pull the car outside, we can see the car and the kit in its entirety. Man, that thing looks good. So I think what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna get it wiped down, and then all we gotta do is play the waiting game. This is the easy part now. So really quickly, as we wait for the owner of the car to get here, I just wanted to mention, like I said, this will be quick. On the site right now, I have 2 new hats, so that's a total of 4 hats, I believe. So we got this one, the camo one that I have been wearing, well fab paint, green on the bottom, and we got the logo right here. That looks really good. And also, we got a pink one, which is super cool. I'll just take this out really quick to show you. It has the cat logo right there, logo on the side, pink dad hat. Really nice, high quality dad hat. And right now, for today and tomorrow, as you're watching this video, if you order any hat on the site, you'll get 3 free stickers. So this one, and this one completely free with your order if you order a hat today and tomorrow. And also today and tomorrow, if you buy anything else that's not a hat, so key tag, shirt, anything, you'll just get 1 free sticker. So for the next 2 days, if you make any purchase, 1 free sticker. If you buy a hat, 3 free stickers. And that's any hat, that's not just the new ones. And these pink ones, we have limited quantity. So if you want to be the most trendy, freshest dude at the shop, that's the one that you gotta get. So my plug's over. All right, so Ben, the man, he just pilled up. Man, what do you think about it?
It looks amazing, dude.
Thank you, man.
Honestly, like twice as good as I expected.
Cool, man, that's super cool, because when he dropped it off, we were kind of just going back and forth on exactly what he expected, and honestly, expectations being down low made the job so much easier for me, so I appreciate that. And we've been looking at it for quite a while, so I didn't get that first reaction, but I think he's happy with it. You're happy with it?
Super happy with it.
Cool,
no, it
man.
looks amazing.
And then also, I know we were talking about some other stuff maybe in the future if there's another car you have going on.
Hopefully clean up my other Smurf Miata.
Yeah, that'd be really cool. And then one thing that I personally cannot wait, I cannot wait to see you ripping this thing next to Taylor's car. You know what I mean?
I've been dying to just go drive the thing.
Hell yeah, man. I can't wait. I can't wait to see it. Thank you for letting me do it. So I guess we're gonna we're gonna get it loaded up on the trailer, and then we'll see it.
Get out of your hair.
We'll maybe see it on Taylor's video or something
Definitely
in the future.
see it on Taylor's videos, and then also OSW. Definitely be out at the next events.
Yeah, man, that'll be cool for sure. So we'll get it loaded up, and then we'll wrap it up. So we wanted to see if it would work without pulling off the bumper, but until he gets longer ramps, and he told me that he's probably going to be getting longer ramps, we're gonna just have to take it off. Oh well, that's why it's just on zip ties, right? Guess that didn't work, huh?
Not quite.
So yeah, like I said, I was telling them, once you get longer ramps, like you were just telling me, you'll be good to go.
Yeah, yeah. I just got to get the 8 foot like my boy. Should be fine.
All right, guys, drive safe.
Try to.
Yeah, take care. Ooh, man, so there goes another one. That was definitely a fun job. It's really cool to do something where I feel like I over-delivered on the expectations. Ben was super easygoing about it. He was way down here, and I felt like I delivered up here, and Top Notch is further away. So if I can over-deliver, that's all I could ever ask for. And also Paint Society coming down to help me out to spray it. It was a super good time. So that car brought me the memories of painting the car, brought me the memories of Paint Society, Brian coming down to spray it, which was a super good time. Overall, the entire project was really good. So I think that's going to be it for this one, you guys. Also, with the merch, like I said, with the sticker deal, that's going to be going on for 2 days. I'm uploading this on a Saturday. So for Saturday and Sunday, that deal is going to happen, and there's going to be plenty more deals to come as well. So I think that's going to be it for this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like this video, comment, subscribe, do all the stuff. You know what it is, YouTube. I'll see you on the next one. Back to the Accord. I'm out.